Ever pondered over your investment strategy? Dividend investing might be the answer. By investing in dividend-paying companies, you buy into a steady income stream. These dividends are part of the company's earnings, distributed to shareholders like you. You receive a regular payout, often quarterly. It's like getting a paycheck for owning a piece of a company. First on the list is AbbVie Inc., a sturdy player in the pharmaceutical industry. A company that has built its reputation on consistency and reliability, AbbVie has carved out a significant niche for itself in the competitive field of pharmaceuticals. It operates in a sector marked by constant innovation, strict regulatory standards, and intense competition. Yet AbbVie continues to flourish. Their success is largely due to their robust pipeline of cutting-edge products that address some of the most pressing health challenges of our time. Additionally, AbbVie is known for its firm commitment to its shareholders. They have a long-standing tradition of rewarding their investors with regular, generous dividends. The company's strong track record of dividend payouts, coupled with its stability and growth potential, makes it a suitable candidate for any investor seeking reliable income. Thus, AbbVie Inc. stands out as a potential cornerstone for any dividend-focused portfolio. Next, we have Bank of America Corp., a titan in the banking sector. Established in the late 19th century, this banking powerhouse has been a beacon of stability and growth in the global financial market for over 100 years. With its headquarters in Charlotte, North Carolina, Bank of America Corp. operates in all 50 states, serving millions of Americans every day. Over the years, it has grown into a formidable entity, offering a wide range of financial services, including investment banking, asset management, and personal banking. It has also been at the forefront of technological advancements to improve customer service and increase operational efficiency. Known for its solid financial performance and consistent dividend payout, it's not surprising that it's a preferred choice for investors seeking a reliable income stream. It remains steadfast in its commitment to provide superior shareholder returns. With a consistent dividend payout, it offers a reliable income stream for investors. Third on the list is Bristol Myers Squibb Company, a powerhouse in the healthcare industry that has built an impressive reputation over the years. Founded in the late 19th century, this multinational pharmaceutical company has been at the forefront of medical innovation and progress, pioneering breakthrough treatments and healthcare solutions. It has a vast portfolio of products that spans a range of therapeutic areas, including oncology, cardiovascular disease, and immunology. Its commitment to enhancing and saving lives has built its status as a giant among healthcare companies. What sets it apart, however, is its long-standing tradition of rewarding its shareholders consistently. This aspect is particularly attractive to those who invest in Bristol Myers Squibb, as it has maintained a steady dividend payout for decades. This consistent performance in producing dividends demonstrates the company's financial stability and strength. It's not just about the immediate gains, it's also about providing a predictable and stable long-term return on investment. Bristol Myers Squibb Company has been consistently rewarding its shareholders with dividends. The Clorox Company, a multinational corporation recognized globally, renowned for its production and marketing of a diverse array of consumer and professional-grade products, proudly occupies the distinguished position of number 4. Established in 1913, this company has grown into an important name in the industry. Their product line extends from cleaning supplies to food and beverages, providing a broad spectrum of items for everyday life. The company's reliable performance has solidified its position in the market. Known for its consistent and robust financial health, Clorox has maintained a history of steady, reliable dividend payments to its shareholders. Consequently, it's a stock worth considering. Fifth in our lineup, we find ourselves looking at the renowned CVS Health Corp., a titan standing tall and unshaken in the vast landscape of the healthcare sector. When you think of CVS Health Corp., you're not just thinking about a mere company, you're considering a stalwart, a beacon of resilience and stability. It's a company that has consistently proven itself reliable in a market known for its volatility, a fact that cannot be understated. Their business model is not just about making profits, it's about making a difference in healthcare and changing lives. With their robust operations and strong market presence, they have created an environment of sustainable growth, offering stability to investors in turbulent times. This is reflected in their dividend payout, a testament to their financial strength, and a welcome source of regular income to shareholders. Their consistent growth and commitment to their investors make them a dependable dividend payer, a category many investors find desirable. This company is more than just a ticker symbol or a name on a balance sheet. It's a potential powerhouse addition to your portfolio. With CVS Health Corp., you get the assurance of stability, the promise of consistent dividends, and the potential for growth. Investing in CVS Health Corp. is like planting a seed, knowing it has the potential to grow, to weather any storm, and to consistently bear fruit year after year. This is the kind of security an investor needs, making it a potential addition to your portfolio. Next, we move our focus to the Hormel Foods Corp., a renowned and globally recognized company that is prominently known for its unwavering and consistent dividend payments throughout its history. This company is recognized as a stalwart in the industry, providing a robust financial track record that is highly appealing to those who prioritize fiscal stability. Investors and shareholders alike find Hormel Foods Corp. substantially appealing because of its meticulous approach to ensuring regular and consistent dividend payouts. This is a unique trait that makes it stand out among its peers in the competitive food industry. These consistent dividend payments demonstrate the company's strong emphasis on creating sustainable value for its shareholders. This penchant for regularity and consistency is what makes it an extraordinarily attractive option for those looking to generate consistent and regular income. Seventh on the list is PepsiCo Inc., a distinct brand recognized worldwide as a global food and beverage leader. Founded in the late 19th century, it has grown to be a multinational powerhouse, offering a diverse range of products. PepsiCo encompasses numerous well-known brands including Pepsi, Frito-Lay, Gatorade, Quaker, and Tropicana, among others. It extends its global reach across more than 200 countries, thus capturing a significant share of the market. One of the company's key financial strengths is its shareholder value creation. Over the years, PepsiCo has demonstrated a strong commitment to returning capital to its shareholders through consistent dividend payouts, marking it as a potentially profitable investment. Snap-on Inc., a renowned global innovator, manufacturer, and marketer of tools, takes our number 8 spot. Recognized worldwide for its innovative approach, Snap-on Inc. has established itself as a market leader within the tool industry. The company's commitment to excellence is reflected in the quality and durability of its products, many of which have become indispensable for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. But what truly sets Snap-on apart in the eyes of savvy investors is its reputation for consistent dividend payouts. This financial reliability, coupled with the company's dynamic growth, makes it a trustworthy and attractive choice for investors. Its consistent dividend payouts make it a reliable choice for investors. Ninth, we have T. Rowe Price Group Inc., a renowned global investment management firm situated in Baltimore, Maryland. Established in 1937, this firm has withstood the test of time, demonstrating resilience and adaptability in an industry that's constantly changing. Known for their wide variety of investment services, they provide solutions that cater to the unique needs of investors around the world. They boast a team of experienced professionals dedicated to providing insightful financial advice and personalized customer service. But what makes T. Rowe Price Group Inc. particularly appealing to investors is its consistent record of offering attractive dividends. With a history of strong performance and a commitment to customer satisfaction, it certainly stands out in the crowded field of investment companies. Its stability and reliability, combined with its robust dividend yield, make it an attractive option for those seeking to diversify their investment portfolio. It offers an attractive dividend yield, making it a potential addition to your portfolio. Lastly, Watsco Inc., the largest distributor of air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration equipment in the United States, rounds off our list. With a legacy spanning several decades, Watsco Inc. continues to set a leading industry example. This revered company has carved a niche for itself in the HVAC industry, evoking admiration and trust from customers and shareholders alike. The company's dedication to unmatched quality, reliable service, and consistent value addition to its product line has led to a robust market position. The history of strong dividend payouts emanating from these achievements makes it a promising stock for long-term investors. In summary, dividend investing is a strategy that focuses on companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly. It offers a steady income and can be a good way to grow wealth over time. The 10 stocks discussed today are all strong choices for dividend investing. They include Avi Inc., Bank of America Corp., Bristol-Myers Squibb Company, The Clorox Company, CVS Health Corp., Hormel Foods Corp., PepsiCo Inc., Snap-on Inc., T. Rowe Price Group Inc., and Watsco Inc. These companies offer stability, regular dividend payouts, and growth potential. Each of these stocks could be a valuable addition to your portfolio, complementing different financial goals. So, if you're interested in dividend investing, these stocks deserve your attention. This information could help you make informed investment decisions. If you found this valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on investing. Until next time, keep expanding your financial horizons.